In today's video, you will learn how to make a homemade gel to get rid of pimples. Taking care of your skin is essential for having a good appearance. This is even more necessary when we talk about facial skin. To keep your skin in shape, you need to invest in a routine of daily care, besides cutting harmful habits. Not to mention that skincare isn't only an aesthetic thing, but also part of your health care. Did you know the skin is responsible for regulating body temperature and also stocking nutrients? To properly play its role, the skin needs to be well cared for. Do you want to learn how to take care of your facial skin and reduce your pimples naturally? Have aloe vera as your ally. Did you know that aloe lessens wrinkles and actively fights acne? That's right. Aloe is also highly efficient for oily skin. Besides it, you will need some saline solution, cornstarch, and honey. Saline solution, cornstarch, and aloe can dry pimples out. Meanwhile, honey and aloe are healing. Your acne will be gone without any marks. Amazing, right? Your skin will be even more reinvigorated with this homemade gel, since the ingredients are moisturizing and don't dry your skin like common gels do. All the ingredients are naturally anti-inflammatory, so they also treat and heal. See how to make it. 3 tablespoons aloe gel, 1 level teaspoon cornstarch, 2 tablespoons saline solution, 1 coffee spoon honey. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Before starting the recipe, extract the gel from an aloe leaf and let it soak in water for 10 minutes to remove aloin. This substance is toxic and can irritate your skin. Next, dissolve cornstarch in the saline solution. Slowly stir it until smooth. This step is important to ensure your gel is even, since cornstarch can form lumps that stick to your skin if not dissolved correctly. Mix it with the aloe gel, previously soaked, and honey, and use a fork to beat it until it becomes a smooth gel. Store in a closed container. This mixture doesn't need to go in the fridge. How to use it? Cover your pimple with a little bit of the gel. In 2 or 3 uses, it will be dry. A single recipe of this gel is enough for more than 15 uses on each pimple. More than enough. And it actually works. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.